Good morning, dear students. Today we will start with a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Electricity and Circuits. Okay, so this chapter is not new to you. The concepts have been read already also in your previous classes. So, first of all, let us correlate it with our class 5. Okay, now electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy. Now, if it is a form of energy, then what do you mean by energy? Energy is the ability to do work. It is the ability to do work. So what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Okay. Now, what about energy? Do you think it can be created or it can be destroyed? No. Neither it can be created nor it can be destroyed. But it can be transformed, or we can say it can be transferred from one form to the other form. Now, what does this mean? Let us take an example. You come in your room and what do? You switch on the light. How do you switch on the light? You just go and click the button on the switchboard. Now what will happen? Electricity will flow and the light, or maybe it is CFL or bulb or tube light, it is going to glow. Okay? Or if you switch on the fan, then what happens? The electricity flows in the conductor, on the wire, and the fan starts moving. Okay? So what does it mean? The electricity is being converted into either light energy when the bulb is glowing or tube is glowing, or if fan is working, then fan is a machine. So it is being converted into mechanical energy. So what do you think here it is happening? Energy is transferred from one form to the another. Like electrical energy is converted into light energy, or electric energy is converted into mechanical energy when the fan is working. Fine. So this is the this means that the energy is neither created nor destroyed, but is transferred from one form to another. Now, after this, let us see what are the different types of energy. What are the different types of energy? Energy can be of different types. Energy can be of different types. Let us see what are the types. Heat energy, sound energy, light energy, wind energy. Okay, it can be electricity or electrical energy. It can be mechanical energy, which helps in running the machines, and many more. Okay, so these are the different forms of energy. Now, if these are the different forms of energy, from where do we get these energy? We are getting from some sources. Okay, we are getting energy from some sources. Now, how these sources can be categorized? The sources of energy can be of two types. What are they? Renewable or non-renewable. Renewable or non-renewable. What does this mean? What is the meaning of renewable? Non-renewable. Renewable. Non-renewable. It means which on consumption or when the energy has been used, then we can get it again in a new form. Okay, it can be renewed. Like wind is blowing, the windmills are running, the energy is being generated, but do you think that no more wind is left? It is still there, so it can be renewed. Okay, same way, water in the rivers, it can be used again and again for generating electricity or energy. Same way, what about solar radiations, sun, the radiations that are coming from sun? Do you think that after we have consumed sunlight or we have used somehow in our any purpose, so we are going to get finished? The light is going, that energy is going to be finished? No. Again we can get the solar radiations. So that these are renewable sources of energy. Same way, non-renewable. What do you mean by non-renewable? Which once consumed or used, we cannot get a new supply of that energy. Okay, so in this case, like coal, petroleum, these are some examples of non-renewable sources of energy. So these are the concepts that you have learned in your previous class. So today we are going to start with the concept of electric energy. Same way, some energy that is being used in our day-to-day life in the form of, we call it electric energy. Okay, electric energy, what is it used for? Used in our houses or homes to run many devices. Just like, what are the devices that run on electric energy? Like fan, bulb, ACs, toasters, okay, etc. And many more things are there. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study about the same, that how the electricity, what are the sources of electricity, what is an electric cell, what is bulb. So all these things we are going to study in this chapter. So I hope by now whatever we learned was clear to you.